Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Mazda CX-30 screen. First, find the Commander Control knob, which is conveniently located on your center console. To activate the display, simply press the Home button situated right next to this knob. Once the screen is on, you can easily navigate through the infotainment system to adjust brightness or personalize other settings to your preference. It's a straightforward process. The Commander Control knob is your primary interface for the CX-30 screen. You can rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise to effortlessly scroll through various menu options. To make a selection, simply push the knob straight down. Additionally, you'll find dedicated buttons around the knob for quick access to essential functions like navigation, audio, and the home screen, making your driving experience more intuitive and less distracting. If your screen isn't turning on, first ensure your Mazda CX-30 is fully started, not just in accessory mode. Sometimes, a pending system update can cause temporary display issues, so check for those. A quick soft reset can often resolve minor glitches. Simply hold down the mute and nav buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the system reboots. These steps usually fix most common screen activation problems. Beyond just turning it on, maximize your CX-30 screen experience by exploring features like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. You can also customize your favorite shortcuts, placing frequently used functions right at your fingertips for quick access. This personalization makes your daily drive much more enjoyable and efficient. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals to enhance your comfort on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.